Hiya, Darren from Rose Guitars, and today I've got on the bench another Jackson concept. So this one's in for a full setup, new set of strings, Floyd Rose bridge, so a little bit fiddly. But let's see what we can do with this. Customers supplied their own strings, so I'll take you through a Floyd Rose setup. Alright, here we go then. So I've already taken the initial measurements and taken the strings off, and I've done the frets and the neck. Taken off the truss rod cover, and I've taken off the back cover so I can access the springs, because that will need adjusting. It was out of adjustment anyway, but when the new strings go on, that'll mean those springs will need retensioning to get levelled off. I was lucky in the intonation was already set correctly, so that's a bit of a fiddle on these, so that's good. Electric's all good. Nice guitar. Right, first things first then is, so this is the way I set up a Floyd Rose. Doesn't mean it's the only way, but it's the way I do it. The first thing I do is fit strings at one end. And if you know anything about Floyd Roses, you have to cut the ball ends off of these. And you need 3 hands. The other thing I've done is the micro adjusters. All the screws I've wound all the way out. Obviously taken the locking nut off. Right. Okay, so they're all in there. Now you do, when I should have said right at the beginning, when you release a Floyd Rose, you have to let it down really gently, because you can pull these posts out, which is a bit of a problem. And then for now, with the locking nuts off, just restring as per any other guitar. Okay, strings are on. So the next part is I've tuned it roughly to pitch, and it will be to pre-stretch the strings before I actually check the float on the bridge. Otherwise that will keep moving all the time the strings are stretching, so I'll pre-stretch them. Stretching the strings. Okay, yeah. Wow, did I get lucky? I got lucky. So quite often when you put a new set of strings on, this bridge will be cocked up slightly, so you've got to adjust the springs on the back, but that's come out almost perfectly level. How cool is that? So next job is to put the locking tuners on and then adjust the tuning with the micro tuners, put the covers back on, and then set the neck relief and the string height as you normally would. Now the string height on Floyd Rose is achieved by winding these two bolts up and down. All done. Just got to give it a bit of a clean up, get my fingerprints off it, and then fly over shot.